Hey there, Norman here from WoCode, and in this video, we're going over the built-in mega menu available in Editor 2.0. The mega menu lets you create large, multi-column drop-downs packed with content, images, videos, buttons, widgets, anything you need to build a dynamic custom menu. To get started, when you open your site, if your template doesn't already include a mega menu, you'll need to enable advanced editing in your header. Just hover over the header, and if it says Basic Header, click the orange label. Then click Enable Advanced Editing in the right sidebar. Confirm in the pop-up, and just like that, you're switched over to the Advanced Header. Now, let's add the mega menu. So let's open the navigation widget, click Manage Links, go to Custom Links, and then select Mega Menu. And that's it. It's added. You're ready to go. You can mix regular links with mega menu links. For example, let's add a standard home button, connect it to your home page, and drag it up to the top of the list. And let's add the rest of the site pages as regular links, and I'll do that quickly off screen. Okay, now let's customize the menu. While in the navigation content window, select the mega menu item and click Edit Mega Menu to start customizing. The mega menu will open and you can now fully edit it just like you would any other section on the site. Let's say you're building a menu for the mobile app site that we're on. We can first rename the mega menu link to Reviews. Click Edit Mega Menu. Delete a column. Drag in a media slider. Remove the extra content from the column and fill the media slider with customer testimonials. And I'll do that quickly off screen. And in the other column, remove the extra content as well. And then we'll drop in a video widget, upload our product video, set it to loop, autoplay, hide controls, and just like that, we've got a fully customized mega menu. Now let's grab our preview link and take a look at this in action. And that's it for this quick overview. I hope this was helpful, and be sure to check out our Editor 2.0 training docs for more information on working with Editor 2.0. And once again, my name is Norma Durkee, and you've been rocking with the best website builder platform on the planet, WoCode.com. And until next time, and as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to support. We're always here to help.